Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to download a mod manager app like Minecraft Launcher or ModLoader from your device's app store. These apps make installing mods super easy and keep everything organized in one place. Step 2. Next, head to a trusted modding website like CurseForge or Modrinth to find the mods you want. Browse through thousands of options, read reviews, and make sure each mod is compatible with your version of Minecraft. Step 3. Download your chosen mods directly to your device. You'll see the download button on the mod page, and the files will save to your downloads folder automatically. Step 4. Open your mod manager app and look for an import or add mods option. Navigate to your downloads folder, select the mod files you just downloaded, and the app will handle the rest. Step 5. Launch Minecraft through your mod manager and create a new world or load an existing one. Your mods should now be active, and you can enjoy all the new features, blocks, and gameplay changes they bring. Always back up your worlds before installing mods, and make sure to check compatibility between different mods before playing.